How to upgrade to Spotify Premium. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can upgrade to Spotify Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, upgrading to Spotify Premium cannot be done using the app, especially if you're using iPhone. On Android, it is possible, but for iOS users, it's not possible to upgrade to Premium from the app. And you might be wondering where's the Premium option, because it's not available from the app. So what you have to do is, regardless of whatever device you're using, I want you to go to your browser and just type in spotify.com, then log into the account on which you'd like to get the premium. And once you have done that, tap the gear icon located at the top right hand corner of the screen here, then just tap on this option here that says view account. Now, even better yet, if you find the premium option here, you can just go to premium directly. And once you go to premium, first of all, you can also view all the premium plans. By tapping the view all premium plan option, you should be able to see a list of plans that are available for you, where you can simply select an individual plan that you'd like. Then after that, you just have to go to the checkout process by simply entering your PayPal account or your credit or debit card. Now, I'm assuming most of you are going to use a credit or debit card, so you can select that option here. Make sure to enter your card number, expiration date with the year, along with the CVV code. You can also save the card if you'd like. I would just recommend you not save it. Then you can just tap the buy now option here in order to buy Spotify Premium. This way you can upgrade to Spotify Premium. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.